Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. I want to talk to you about the snow blower I got last year and didn't put it together until this year because I didn't have a driveway to run it on. So anyways, this is the SnowJoe blower, and it had several problems when I tried it out earlier this season. First of all, let me move it around here, was the way this thing locks, it snaps in here. It wasn't snapping in right, and as it ran, it would vibrate, turn, and come flying off. Well, I played around with it, and finally I found a right size screw I could put in here to hold it to the rotational base here, so it doesn't. So this base here will rotate without the screw going into the main plate here. So found the right size screw, put it in there. I was thinking I'll put the second one in, but you know that one there seems to be working pretty good. And so that handled the one problem. Second problem was because let me go around to the front here. Right, so it's got a plastic impeller here, and it's on the sides here. It's just rubbing just enough on either side here, plastic against plastic, that it builds up a static electricity charge. And the interesting thing is that I'd be holding on to the metal handle here, and I was getting zapped from the static electricity charge. So what I did is I went and I got some rubber electrical tape, not the vinyl stuff, the rubber stuff, and I wrapped the handle here. And so this should insulate me from the static electricity charge that comes up from the unit. So hopefully that'll take care of that, and I won't get shocked anymore. The third problem has to do with internal design of that impeller again. This thing was only throwing snow out about 5 feet. So which for the driveway is not far enough. Now in the back patio, if I go across there, 5 feet will throw most of it off the patio, and I can start next to the house, throw it out a little bit, and just work my way away from the house, and just keep throwing it farther and farther away as I make a pass until I get the whole thing done. It's not that big of a deal, especially if I keep up on it. If I let it sit and get really thick snow out there, then it might be a problem. But so I'll be the next snow we get, I'll be testing this out on the driveway. I don't know, it's just that the one thing I do like, the one thing about it is the hand crank here. It does turn fairly quickly and controls the that. And then, but the chute here, for doing the chute, it has little snap locks, and so that your tension on here determines where it's going to be at. So. But anyway, so I'll come up with another video here of it actually in use now that I've fixed the two problems, and we will see how well it works. All right. So before I take off, I want to remind you that over on my other channel, Gray Man Prepping, there is still the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'll put the link here, and I'll put a link down here to another video you might like, and I'll put the link up over here to Gray Man Prepping channel so you can go subscribe. All right. Take care. Stay safe. Try to have fun this winter, and I'll see you in the next video.